Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. So, today let me show you a yummy crunchy snacks which can be even taken for all age groups, where kids love to have this crunchy dry fruits. So, without wasting much time, let us see how to roast this dry fruit. So, just switch on the flame and keep a kadai. Place a kadai on the stove. So, let it heat for another 1 or 2 minutes and add some. I have taken almost a cup of salt here. So, make sure that salt is heated for a while. Once the salt is totally heated, you can add dry fruits to it. I am going to add pistas to it first. So, keep on stirring this pistas until it is get roasted, and once we get a nice smell from this pista, so that we can even take out this pista to serving bowl. As we know, dry fruit should include in our diet to stay healthy. So here I am going to roast almost 3 dry fruits and show you. So pista is loaded with nutrients, high in antioxidants, low in calories, but yet in good fiber. And we all know that pista helps in weight loss also. So for all age groups, if they have a whole handful of dry fruits, it is more than enough. I mean in every day. So you see how I am going to filter my pistas. Just take it on your spoon and just keep on stirring, so that salt will be remaining in the kadai itself. You can take out this dry fruits. So check whether pista is finished. I have taken out all the pista. You see no pista in my salt. So now I will be adding almost 2 handful of badam here. As we know, badam takes a bit more time to get roasted. So just keep on stirring this for another 4 to 5 minutes gradually in the salt. The same way you can even add peanuts or papad, anything, where oil free frying. This is also known as oil free frying. And just you see how I am making badam also. As we know, badam contains lot of healthy fats, high fiber, protein, which promotes weight loss also. And as we know, badam soap, badam is good for health, but even gradually we can even try this roasted badam also. Now see, now I am going to add another hold of cashew nuts. As cashew nuts, kids love to have cashew nuts. So just let us roast this cashew nuts also. Cashew nuts are rich in heart healthy fatty acids, protein rich, and boosts our immune system also, which is an excellent source of antioxidants too. So in roasting this cashew nuts is very easy, as it changes its color. Once the cashew nuts are of golden color, we can take out this cashew nuts and serve it to serving bowl. You see almost my cashew nuts are roasted. You can even make out the color also. In this way, dry fruits will be just having a mild salt flavor, so that kids love to have this dry fruits. Now, after serving all these dry fruits to serving bowl, you see how nice it is. This is pista, roasted pista. I have a light salt flavor, and roasted badam and roasted cashew nuts also. You can even serve for small kids also, where they love to have this. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.